Hi, and welcome to my tutorial about the More Blocks section. The More Blocks section allows you to easily create a block. Blocks are useful, for instance, if you want to repeat a long script of code multiple times. Here's an example of how blocks can be useful. To make a block, simply click Make a Block. You can name your block. I can name it Hide or Show. Then, on this Options section, you can add inputs. So, number inputs, string inputs, Boolean inputs, and label text. We won't do that for now. We'll define a block called show, and we'll also make a block called hide. To do show, we can say repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by -10. And hide is the same thing, but instead of changing it by -10, change it by 10. Now we can say, when the space key is pressed, show, wait 1 second, then hide. Oops, wrong block, hide. So now, showing, hiding, showing, hiding. Now, if we wanted to add a block with an input, we could call this special say. Then we could add a number input or a string input. Just to confirm, Boolean, a number is simply a number. Boolean is something that you put in from one of the operators, like an and, or, not, equals, greater than, less than. And a string is basically numbers or text. So we could call this numbers, add a number input. And we'll call this number, how about, show intensity. And not say, we'll call this show. So now you'll notice that we have this little thing, show intensity, and I'll show how that comes into use. Let's say we'll have our show, repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by show intensity. So now, if we drag this block, if we say special show 1, it will change the ghost effect by 1. So now, it won't totally come into view, it's actually hiding. So let's say -1. See, it only partly comes into view. You can make it come in more. If we do -10, it will come into view much more. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to use the More Blocks section.